Smallest number from the following, we must put 0 behind this number and double 0, and here double 0, and then 0.101 is the smallest number. Choose letter D. Question number 2. In the equation 1860 divided by 32 equal 58 and the remainder 4. He asked about remainders. In the remainder here 4 is the remainder, write 4 in the space. Question number 3. Which are 3 possible solutions for the inequality? We have x greater than 12. Can you tell me? We have 13 and 17 and 22. Choose letter C. Question 4. The lower quartile for the set of data, we have here numbers. We want to find the lower quartile. Then to find the lower quartile, you must arrange all values ascending or descending. In number line, to draw box plot, we must arrange ascending. Okay, first number here we can write the smallest number. It was 17 and 18, 19, 20, 21 and 23. Okay, we have how many numbers? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and we can cancel digit by digit and digit by digit, and we can find the median. The median equal 19 plus 20 divided by 2. The result will be 39 divided by 2. It will be the median. And 3 divided by 2 equal 1 and remainder 1. 19 divided by 2 equal 8 or 9 and remainder 1. 10 divided by 2 equal 5. It's the median. The median will be 19.5, but he won't find in this example the lower quartile. From this set, we can find the lower quartile here. It will be 18. Okay, lower quartile, or we called it quarter 1. So 18 lower quartile, and from this part 21 quarter 2, and 17 we called it the smallest number here. This is the smallest number, and the greatest we call this the minimum value will be 17, and the maximum it will be 13. But in this example he won't find what? Quarter 1, lower quarter, it will be 18. The result will be 18. Choose letter B about question 4. Question number 5. The first operation you perform is the expression. We have 10 divided by 5 plus 3 minus 1 or power 2. It is the order operation. Parentheses first, exponent next, multiplication and division is the same step, addition and subtraction from left hand side to right hand side, first come first serve. But in this example we have parentheses. He asked about operation. Okay, you don't write parentheses, but he asked about operation. So we will solve the first operation in parentheses. Here it will be the difference or subtract. Choose letter P. We used here subtract. To find the difference between numbers, use subtract first. Operation here, subtract. Next question, question 6. In the inequality y equal 4x, if the input 12, then the output equal. Input is meaning x equal 12, then y will be 4 multiplication the value of x 12, then y will be 12 divided by 4 equal 3. Okay, question 7. Absolute value of negative 8 greater than space. We know the absolute value of negative 8 equal 8, and 8 greater than what? 8 greater than absolute value of negative 7. Choose letter E, because the absolute value of negative 7 it will be 7. Question number 2. Complete the following. Look at with me about next question. Question number 1. The number 0.5 in the form a over b will be half. We know the point here after one place. Then we must write 5 over 10 and then divided by 5 numerator and numerator 5 by 5 divided by 5 1 and 10 divided by 5 equal 2. Question number 2. In the opposite histogram, the class interval having the greatest frequency here, the greatest, it will be what? It's the greatest here. The interval from 20 to 29. It's the greatest interval from 20 to 29. Question 3. In the opposite Venn diagram, the least common multiplication is what? We have Venn diagram here, and we have a lot of points, 7 and 3 and 2 and 5. To find the least common multiplication, you must find the product of all prime factors here. 7 by 3 by 2 by 5. 7 by 3 equal 21 and 2 times 5 equal 10. Then the least common multiplication, it will be 210. But if you want to find the greatest common factor between two numbers, you must find the product of 3 and 2. It will be 6. It's the highest common factor between two numbers. And if you want to find the first number, you must multiplication all prime factors. 7 times 3 times 2. 3 times 2 equals 6, and 6 times 7 equals 42. It's the first number. And second number, 3 times 2 equals 6, 6 times 5 equals 30. But in this example, you want to find the least common multiplication. It will be 210. Okay, it's the result about this question. Next question here. If 2 over 5x equal 2 over 5, then x equal what? X will be equal 1, because here we can put x equal 1. Multiplicative identity here 1. We called it the multiplicative identity. Okay. Question 7. 2 over 7 plus 1 over 7 plus 4 over 7. You can write 7 in the numerator, and 4 plus 1 equal 5. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 7 over 7 equal 1. Question 8. The quotient of k and 3 written as space. K over 3 is the quotient. Next question shows the correct answer. Which of the following is an integer? Question number 1. An integer here, it will be negative 15 over 5, because negative 15 over 5, it will be negative 3. And numerator can divide it by denominator. Then the result will be negative 3. Choose letter C. We called it integer. Question number 2. The better measure of central tendency of this data here, we must use here the median. Choose letter P. Why? Because we have the point here outside. It's outside here. Euler point. We have the Euler point. The Euler point in this example, so the median, it will be the best. But if you use the mean here in this example, you will. If you will use the mean in this example, so you will have not exactly result about the mean, but the best measure of central tendency here for data, the better measure of central tendency of the following data, it will be the median. Why? Because we have the Euler point. It's outside here. If you get the mean, you will get the result greater than the exactly mean, because the Euler right by right hand side. So the best measure here, the median, it's the better measure. Okay. Question 3. Which expression is equivalent to x plus 10? 2x plus 10 about question number 3. We can write 2 outside or highest common factor between two expressions, and 2x divided by 2 equal x and 10 divided by 2 equal 5. Choose letter A. We can write 2, highest common factor between two terms. Question 4. Y equals the product of x and 3. It will be 3x. Y equals 3x. Question number 5. Here, which of the following is an algebraic expression? Algebraic expression, it contains of what? Contains of letters. It will be letter P. Letter P. We called it algebraic expression. 5x plus 3. We called it algebraic expression. We contains of here, the expression contains of terms, two terms, and 5 we called it coefficient, and x here is a variable. Algebraic expression contains of factors of such that x, y, z letters. Okay, we called it algebraic factor. Question 6. In which dot plot graph the outlier increase the mean? Increase its meaning the outlier right by right hand side. Choose letter C. Okay, choose letter C because the point of outlier here lies by right hand side, but letter B the point lies by left hand side. The outlier here, then the mean here decreased, but he will not find increase the mean. Increase the mean, the meaning the point lies by right hand side. Choose letter C. Question 7. 9 times 5 plus 6. We will use here distributive properties. 5 times 9 equal 45, and 5 times 6 equal 54. Then we must write 45 in the space. Question 4. Answer the following. Look at with me about question 4. The swim team has 45 members and the diving team has 27 members. If the coaches wished to divide the team in two groups and have all the group from the past terms be the same size, what is the greatest number of team members would could be in the group? We can use these steps by factorizing two numbers and find the least common multiplication between two numbers to find the greatest number of team members would could be in the group. We have two numbers here, 45 and the next number here, 27. 45 equal 5 by 9 and 9 equals 3 by 3, and 27 equals 3 times 9, and 9 equals 3 by 3. And then draw Venn diagram between two numbers here. Write the common between them, 3 and 3, and the remainder here 5, and the remainder here 3. It's the first number 45 and second number 27. And then we can find the least common multiplication. To find the greatest number of team, we can write its number of team equals 3 by 3 equal 9. And then the expression we can write 45 plus 27 equal what? We can write the highest common factor between two numbers outside. We can write 45 plus 27, highest common factor 9, write 9 outside, and then 45 divided by 9 equal 5, or write 3 here and write 5 here from the Venn diagram. Okay, it's next or the expression. Next question from the opposite data plot. Answer the following question. How many people were served? How many people here served? We will have how many? We must count all points here. Each point refers to the people. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the result will be here 20 people. The number. Question letter B. How many people saw 3 movies? 3 movies here, it will be 3 people. Question letter C. How many people saw 2 movies or more? 2 or more, we must add all numbers from 2 to right hand side. Count with me here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 people. Question number 3. Evaluate expression here. 5x power 2 plus 8 divided by 6 subtract by 4 add 6 divided by 2 at x equals 3. Then put x equal 3 here. 5 multiplication the value of x equals 3. 3 power 2 equal 9 plus 8 divided by 6 minus 4, it will be 2 divided by 2, and 5 times 9 equal 45 plus 8 divided by 2 equal 4. 4 divided by 2 equal 2, and then write 45 plus 2, the result will be 47. This is the order of operation. We know parentheses first, exponent next, multiplication and division in the same step, addition, subtraction from left hand side to right hand side, first come first serve in this operation. Parentheses first here, 6 minus 4 equal 2, and 8 divided by 2 equal 4, and 5 times 9 45, 45 plus 4 divided by 2, and 4 divided by 2 equal 2, 45 divided plus 2 equal 47. Question number 4, it's the last question here. Look at about this question. Okay. An owner of baking food factory wanted to bake 15,708 kilograms of sugar equally in 68 bags. What is the mass of each bag? We will find the mass of each bag by using long division between 2 numbers. Then, question number 4, we can write the mass of each bag equal 15,708 divided by 68. Long division, write 15,708 divided by 68. We know 15 divided by 68, we can't do it, so we must put 0 outside here, out, and write 0 again. The result will be, because 15 less than 68, and then 157 divided by 68. We must disappear 1 digit by 1 digit, and 15 divided by 6, its nearest number, it will be 12, because 2 times 6 equals 12, and nearest to 15. Then we can find the multiplication between 68 and 2. We know 2 times 8 equals 16, 6, and carry up 1, 2 times 6 equals 12, plus 1 equals 13. The result will be 136. So you must put 2 outside the quotient and write 136 down here, and find the difference between 157 and 136. 7 minus 6 equal 1, and 5 minus 3 equal 2, 1 minus 1 equals 0, and then drop the next digit here, 0. 210 divided by 68, we must disappear 1 digit by 1 digit, and 21 divided by 6, the nearest number, it will be 18. 3 times 6 equal 18, so 68 by 3, because 3 times 6 equal 18, there is 21, and 3 times 8 equal 24, right? 4 and carry up 2. 3 times 6 equal 18, 18 plus 2 equal 20. It's 204, nearest to number. So we must write 3 outside here in the quotient, and then write 204 down. Find the difference between 210 and 204, it will be 6, and then drop the digit 8 here, it will be 68 divided by 68 equal 1. We have the same numbers, and then 1 times 68 equals 68. Okay, then the mass of each bag equal 231 kilogram. 231 kilogram. Okay.